Stay with me for next 5 minutes and I assure you that you will land your dream job faster than 99% of students. I am about to reveal an amazing opportunity that could change the game for your career. Whether you are in engineering, commerce, arts, or literally any domain. And the crazy part, it's completely free to enter and open for all college students in India. Here is the reality. Every year, millions of students graduate and all aim for same job, same internship and the same company. But let's be honest, only 1% actually stand out. So what makes them different? No, it's not just high grades. It's proof. Proof that you can solve real problems, think critically, and bring results. How do they do that? By proving their skills in a way that grabs recruiters' attention. I have brought you an event that not only tests your skills but also showcase them directly to top recruiters. An event where you can win prizes worth 20 lakh, get a nationally recognized certificate and be put on the radar of companies actively looking for talent like yours. Also, recognition from top companies like PepsiCo, Capgemini and Johnson & Johnson, etc. And the best part, it's completely free, open to all undergraduate students. No matter whether your stream is BTech, BSc, BBA, BCom or even BA. Before I reveal the name of the contest, hit that subscribe button if you're serious about building your career and comment below what skill or career path you want me to cover in the next video because I personally reply to all of you. It's called Naukri Campus Young Turks Skill Assessment Test, India's biggest skill contest for students. So what's the opportunity all about? It is 2-round contest that tests your skills and put you in front of top recruiters. Round 1 happening on October 5th and 6th is a 60-minute aptitude test with 60 MCQs. It's all about logical reasoning, numerical ability and verbal skills. Stuff you all need for job interviews. If you need the resource material for aptitude solving, comment below resource and I'll share it with you. Like the video and save it to not misplace the link. The top 30,000 students from round 1 will move to round 2 happening on October 19th, where you pick from 5 skill tracks: coding, data and AI, engineering, marketing and sales, finance and accounting, and pharma. Each track has 60 questions in 60 minutes. And you can choose multiple tracks to show off your versatility. Plus, everyone who participates gets a participation certificate and top 30,000 students qualifying round 1 will get merit certificate that recruiters love. Share this with your friend and grow together. Now, let's come to the good part. Last year, 50 plus companies participated in this competition. The prize distribution is that AIR 1 will get 1 lakh rupees, AIR 2 will get 50,000 and AIR 3 will get 25,000. AIR 4 to 10 will receive 15,000 each and AIR 11 to 20 will get 10,000 each and AIR 20 to 50 will get goodies worth 1200. This is India's biggest skill contest and it is free to enter. Enroll by September 19 to secure your spot. Grab the link in the description and tell me what career topics you want in the next video. Coding tips, resume hacks or internship secrets. Like this video, subscribe to Career Buddy AI and turn on the notifications so that you never miss a chance to level up your career.